A woman hiccuped non-stop for 68 years, a mind-boggling condition that began in 1922 and continued until 1990. Her name was Charles Osborne, and her hiccups started unexpectedly while she was weighing a hog for slaughter. Despite seeking help from countless doctors and trying every possible remedy, her condition persisted, making everyday activities a challenge. Imagine living with constant hiccups through decades of life changes, from the roaring 20s to the dawn of the internet age. Charles managed to adapt, even becoming a minor celebrity due to her unusual plight, but her story remains one of the most bizarre and enduring medical mysteries ever recorded.